Okay, Jake, now this is the assembly of your vehicle.
Ooh,
now this
nice.
is the thing. This is the truck you've made. Splendid job. And I've cut all the various parts. Mine's slightly different. I've shown the design in the last clip. So I'm just going to put it together, Jake, because I think you said this will be a good way of showing the viewers how the thing actually is assembled. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Do you think it's a good job so far?
So far, it looks very organised.
It is organised. So I've got my grotty old top on. Now, there's one wheel. Oh, by the way, I've already done the chassis. So that's the first thing you do. So let's not make this video too long. One there. One there. Could even speed up the video.
Yes.
Ooh. There we go. There's the chassis. There's the front. That's going to hold on the bonnet in a minute. There's the side. These parts I can't put on really because it's going to fall off, aren't they? I suppose I could put them over the top like that at the moment. That goes there. And that goes here. That, I like that. Goes there. That goes there. That's the rear detail. I think we're going to hinge that, aren't we? Of course, this is going to be all more carefully fitted on. That will be fitted on, of course. And that will go that side. That's the inside of the cab. Oh, it's falling apart. That goes there. Okay, then the bonnet goes there. Goes in like that. Quite tricky this. Then the roof. And then that will go there. And that will go on there. Like that.
Nice.
It's not perfect at the moment. Oh, yeah.
Well, I can see it's taking shape.
Can you see how it goes, Jake?
Mm-hmm.
Of course, that will be sort of there. Right.
Yeah.
That's without any glue, of course.
And now we're going to.
And of course, that will be there. And now we're going to show it glued, I think, over the next few clips. Okay, good luck, Shedhacks.